Hi, my name is Faraz Majid and I'm the service manager for My Mississauga Chrysler. Today we're going to be talking about tires. The tread looks about right. What do you think? The depth in the tire are what helps keep your vehicle on the road and stay in control. This is why it is important to have sufficient tire tread. And a changeover is highly recommended when the temperature drops. The tread depth is the vertical measurement from the top of the tire rubber to the bottom of the tire's grooves. Tires have different groove patterns. Winter tires have rubber that works better in colder weather, but their grooves work in a way that quickly moves snow away from the wheels. A handy guide is to use a quarter or a tire tread depth gauge. Holding the quarter between your thumb and forefinger, place the quarter head down in the tread. Choose an area that has a lower level of tread. If the top of the figurehead is covered, you have plenty of tread left. If your tire tread isn't sufficient, you'll need to have your tires checked. If you are more of a numbers person, using a tread gauge to keep track of the numbers on your vehicle is also useful. To do this, place your tire gauge in the lowest thread, place the levers flat, and read the number. As long as it's over 1.6 millimeters, you're fine. Come on to My Mississauga Chrysler. We'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you for watching.